Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, which I have not done in the longest time, and I'm going to be using one of the new Kaja Bentos. This is in the shade Coral Sunrise, so if you want to see how I did this eye look, then keep watching. Okay, I primed my eyelids off camera and I'm going in with a Colourpop Gel Liner along the lash line. And once I kind of get the shape of what I want and how much I want on my lid, I'm going to blend it out with my finger. These blend out so nicely with your finger or a brush. They're just so easy to blend out. I love, love, love them. Now I'm going in with Coral Sunrise. So none of these eyeshadows have names, so I'm using this like really pretty brown shade on the outer third of my eye. And I forgot to mention, but I'm doing this eyeshadow hack I saw on Instagram. So when I'm applying these shadows, I'm not doing it neatly at all. It's totally okay to be sloppy here because we're gonna blend everything all out. So I'm really applying this to the outer third of my eye. Now I'm taking this really pretty coral shade, it's the middle shade in the Bento, and I'm applying this to the middle of the lid where I did not apply anything. I'm showing on both eyes because I totally just like chopped the half side of my right eye off in the first clip. Then I'm really blending everything together with this blending brush. This blending brush is my favorite, and I do not know the name of it because the name washed off, but I feel like it's from BH Cosmetics. But I just love this because it blends everything together so beautifully. It's amazing, and these shadows work so nicely. I really love Kaja eyeshadows. Now I'm going with this really cool like coral marble shade. It's so sick, and I'm putting it on the inner third of my eye where I didn't apply anything. I did apply a glitter glue before. I'll link everything down below. Now I'm just taking that blending brush again and blending everything together just so it's nice. There's no like, it's just seamless looking and just everything looks good. And once I'm done blending again, I'm going in with that second coral shade that I used and just again putting it in that middle part. Now I'm going in with a brown liner from Colourpop just to make a little wing. I don't know, I wasn't going to film this part and I ended up filming this part. I felt like it needed a wing. Now I'm curling my lashes nice. I do the Alex Earl method. I love it. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal. This is that telescopic one that went completely viral, and it went viral for the wrong reasons, but I did a whole video using it without false lashes. If you want to see that, I put it on TikTok, I think, and Instagram. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm popping on some Pompadour lashes from Kiss. I love these lashes. They're my favorite. I love how this look came out, and this is the finished look. It's so gorgeous. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. That feels so weird to say. Let me know how you guys like this in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red button down below to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.